Welcome to Sacred Art High School. Let's start with a new chapter in science. Lesson number 12. Introduction to acid and base. Here, we need to understand the indicator. Indicators, their colors in acid as well as in base. We also need to understand the acid, their properties and uses. Base or alkali, their properties and uses as well as neutralization. Let's start with acid. Compounds imparting sour taste are called acids. Lemon, tamarind, vinegar or amla-like substances acquire sour taste due to presence of a typical compound in them. Such compounds imparting sour taste are called acids. Acids are soluble in water and they are corrosive in nature. Animals and plants also possess acids in them. Base. Substances having astringent or bitter taste and slippery to touch are called bases. Example, lime water, baking soda, caustic soda and soaps. As touching or tasting of acid or base is very harmful and hence typical indicators are used to recognize them. The substances that change their color in presence of acid or base are called indicators. In indicators, we have indicators in laboratory. In laboratory, litmus paper is mainly used to test alkali or base. This paper is made by an extract of lichen plant. It is red or blue color. Blue litmus paper turns red on dipping in acid and red litmus paper turns blue by alkali. Similarly, phenolphthalein, methyl orange and methyl red are used in laboratory in solution form. Methyl orange indicator becomes pink in acid and yellow in alkali. Phenolphthalein remains colorless in acid and becomes pink in alkali. Universal indicator, which are in liquid state change their color in the presence of acid and base. Domestic indicators. When there is no laboratory indicator available, at that time we use domestic indicators like natural indicator. The natural indicators are easily available, like we have the beetroot, we have the turmeric, we have the red cabbage, onion, vanilla extract. Here you must have seen yellow food stain turning red after washing with soap. This color change is a result of chemical reaction between turmeric and alkaline material of soap. Your turmeric acts as an indicator. Natural indicators can also be prepared from red cabbage, radish, tomato and similarly from hibiscus and rose. Here is a table that represents the indicators like onion, vanilla extract. When onion reacts with base, it loses its smell. As well as in acid, the onion retains the smell. At the same time, vanilla extract too, when comes in contact with base, it loses its smell. As well as in acid, it retains its smell. Let's understand the properties and uses of acids. Acids are sour in taste. Acid molecules contain hydrogen ion, that is H positive ions, as a main constituent. Acid reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. Acid reacts with carbonates and liberates carbon dioxide gas. Here, blue litmus turns red in acid. Uses of acids. Acids are used in the production of chemical fertilizers. Acids are used in the production of explosives, oil purification, medicines, dyes and paints. Acid is used for making of white paper from wood pulp. Properties of base or alkali. Base has bitter taste, they are slippery. Bases contains hydroxide OH negative as a main constituent. Metal oxides are generally basic in nature. Uses of base or alkali. Sodium hydroxide or caustic soda is used as washing soap. Potassium hydroxide or potash is used as shampoo as well as soap. Calcium hydroxide or lime water used for whitewashing. Magnesium hydroxide or milk of magnesia acts as antacids. Ammonium hydroxide is used for production of fertilizers as well. Neutralization. The reaction between acid and an alkali to form the salt and water is termed as neutralization. Acid plus base reacts with salt plus water. Example, hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives a salt, that is sodium chloride plus water. This reaction is called neutralization. This is an experiment for neutralization where you have sodium hydroxide in the pipette. You have the acid, that is HCl, as well as the indicator in the conical flask, and this is experiment performed in the neutralization.